Why do that?
Learn the shape change.
Demonstration.
Let's learn it.
Get 2 cards as one. Use your thumb and middle finger to hold the corners. Use your first finger to turn the card. Shake while turning card to hide flash.
Keep practicing. Follow for more tutorials.